Do you want me to discuss or not? Yes or no? 51. Okay. The pie chart shows the degree-wise distribution of Ramesh savings in last 6 months. Okay. We were asked to calculate average savings of Ramesh. What is total? Were you given values? పేపర్లో ఇచ్చారా? ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? 3600. Is that a total? 60 degrees. So that means July value. Okay, July value which is given as 3600. From this 1 degree is equal to divided by 60, right? 60. Right? 360 degrees in the sense 360 into 60. This is going to be the total value. We were asked to calculate average savings of Ramesh in the month of March, May, July. March, May and July. For these three numbers we were asked to calculate average. 6684, 150, 150 30, 180, 180. We were asked to calculate average, that is divided by 3, which is 60. 60 degrees in the sense already we know the value, which is 3600. March, April, May. Okay. March, April, July, which is 210 by 3, which is 70 degrees. 70 degrees in the sense 70 into 1 degree value, which is 4200. Next. Sam and Arjun started their journey from A to B and then B to A respectively after crossing each other. This word is very important. After crossing each other, Sam and Arjun completed the remaining part of the journey in 5, 4 by 9 hours and then 9 hours respectively. Speed of Arjun is 35, speed of Sam is. Now, understand the order, and it is very important. After crossing each other, Sam and Arjun completed. Sam is first person, Arjun is second person. If you have a word like after crossing each other, do remember S1 by S2 is equal to under root of T2 by T1. Now S1 is related to Sam. Sam's speed we want to calculate, which is S1. S2 values are related to Arjun, whose speed is equal to 35. Under root of T2, that is time taken by Arjun. Time taken by Arjun is 9 hours. And time taken by Sam is 5, 4 by 9, which is equal to 49 by 9, which comes to numerator. So S1 by 35 is equal to 9 by 7, 7 5 times. So S1 is equal to 9 into 5, 45 kilometer per hour. But do remember, we were asked to calculate in terms of meter per second. So S1 is equal to 45 kilometer per hour. Let's convert into meter per second. 5 by 18. 9, 5 times, 9, 2 times. 25 by 2, answer 12 and a half. Followed. The radius of hemisphere is 42 centimeters. If maximum value of cube is removed from hemisphere, then what is the surface area? Surface area, ee question okkasari aapandi, we'll discuss this later. An amount of 35,100 is to be distributed among persons P, Q, R in the ratio 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 respectively. So here the ratio is mentioned in terms of fraction. To eliminate fraction, we'll have to multiply it with LCM of the denominators, which is 12. If you multiply it, that means you get 4:3:2. That is initial ratio. Due to an error, it was distributed in the ratio 3:4. 4 is to 6. In this transaction, what is the loss incurred by both AB together? Loss incurred by AB together in the sense, so in first case, A and B both together will get some money. In the second case, they will get some other money. Whether you are asked to calculate profit or loss, that means you are asked to calculate difference between amount received by AB together in first case and the second case only. Come on. In the second case, if they get more, it is profit. In the second case, if they get less, they will get. So whatever it is, it may be profit or loss. It is about difference, correct? Right. So in the first case, amount that AB together gets is 7/9 of total money. How much is total money? 35,100. I don't want to consider that also. Wait a minute. 7/9 of 35,100. In the second case, AB together will get 7/13 of the same 35,100. Yes? Can you change or eliminate 7 in the numerator in first case? ఇక్కడ 7 క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలి అని అంటే డినామినేటర్లో 7 మల్టిపుల్ ఉండాలా? Do you have 7 multiple? That means this value is 7 multiple. Even in the second case also, numerator value is 7. You cannot change that 7. So even my second number is also 7 multiple. Whether you are asked to calculate sum or the difference, again it is 7 multiple. Come to options. Is your first option 7 multiple? Second option? Third option? Fourth final answer. Got it? Yes? Which of the following is divisible by 42? If it is divisible by 42, it has to be divisible by 6 and 7 only. 42, correct? 6 cancellation, 6 rule. 2 multiplication, 3 multiplication, 7 multiplication, correct? You have to verify all the values. So can you do it? Yes? The merchant offers 3 types of successive discounts. Which of the following successive discount is the best for the customer? Sometimes they will say, they will ask you, which among the following is best for the merchant? If I am the merchant and you are the customer, for the customer, if it has to be best value, as a customer think, what is best case for you? If you get more discount or less discount? More discount, being a customer, correct? Feel like you are a merchant. You are selling it to customer. So for merchant, what is best case? If you give less discount. Ardhamainda? So question important. Customer side or merchant side? As it is from the customer point of view, it should be definitely more, right? More discount. Avana? 15 successive. Sum cheste 30. Second case lo 20-25. Sum cheste 45. Straightforward A cannot be your answer, right? Yes. Third case 12 plus 30, sum is 42. Second case 45. So using sum itself we can answer the question. Which is best? Which is best? Only B. You need not to calculate actual discount here. When 2 successive discounts are there, you know how to calculate single discount. Yes? A plus B. A plus B plus కాదు minus A plus B minus AB by 100. That gives you single discount. You don't have to calculate single discount value here, because using sum itself, this is 30, this is 45 and this is 42. The number itself, it says 45 is definitely more. Yes? Now sometimes what will happen, here second option says 45, sum 20 and then 25, correct? Sometimes they will say first discount is 10%, next discount is 35. Third option, first discount is 30%, next discount is 15%. Now if you add both values, everywhere it is 45, 45, 45, correct? In such case, you need to calculate how much is single discount in each and every case. And then you can decide. But now using sum itself, B is definitely more than A and C. So obviously you can go with that. You need not to calculate single discount. When to calculate single discount, I have explained you. Ardhamaindi kada? Yes? Fine. The value of this. Okay. Now, values conversion is important. 420, we can write it as 360 plus 60, 390. 360 plus 30, 300. 360 minus 60, 270. Let me write it as 180 plus 90. Sin 150. 180 minus 30. Okay. 360 plus 60. First number. 3 times of cos 360 plus 60. 3 times of. 360 plus in the sense which quadrant is that? First quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. Cos 60. 1 by 2 plus cot 360 plus again first quadrant all are positive only. Cot 30 root 3 minus 360 minus 60. 360 minus which quadrant is that? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, cosecant is cosecant positive or negative? Cosecant positive or negative? Fourth quadrant. Cosecant amma అందులో cos anu secant kada positive ఉండేది. All silver teacups. Yes. So cosecant, is it positive or negative? Negative. Already minus symbol. Minus half minus plus. Cosecant 60. Cosecant 60. How much is that? 2 by root 3. Yes. Divided by 180 plus. Which quadrant is that? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, cos. Positive or negative? Negative. Cos 90. Cos 90, 0. It may be positive or negative, don't care about it, it is 0. Plus 180 minus 30. 180 minus second quadrant. Sin positive. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Okay. Now, let me simplify this. 3 plus 2 by root 3. 5 by root 3. 3 by 2 plus 5 by root 3 by 1 by 2. Now let me complete numerator. 3 root 3 plus 10. Come on. 3 root 3 plus 10 by 2 root 3 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. Yes? Yes? Now look at your answer. In your answer, observe your denominator. What is your denominator? But how much we have? Root 3. That means to make it 3 in the denominator, every number should be multiplied by root 3 only. That means 9 plus 10 root 3 by 3. Got it? If the length of the medians of a triangle are 8, 15, 17 centimeters, then the area. See, when you are given sides of any triangle, A comma B comma C, how will you calculate area? Under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Correct? But now 8, 15, 17, what are these? They are medians. When you are given medians, area is equal to under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, but you'll have to write 4/3. 4/3. What is S here? Same. A plus B plus C by 2. where A comma B comma C are ఇక్కడ ఏబిసిలు ఏంటి మీడియన్స్. హియర్ ఏబిసి ఆర్ మీడియన్స్. అమ్మ ఇది ఒక్కటే ఎక్స్ట్రా 4/3. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మీకు తెలుసు, అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ఇంటూ ఎస్ మైనస్. అది ఎప్పుడు వాడతాం? సైడ్స్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు. ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చారు? మీడియన్స్. మీడియన్స్ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి 4/3 తీసుకోవాలి. ఏబిసిలు అనేవి మీడియన్స్ అవుతాయి. ఓకేనా? సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయటమే. ఎస్ వాల్యూ కావాలి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. 8 + 15 + 17, how much is sum? 40/2, 20. If s is equal to 20, come on, look at this, 4/3 of under root of 20 into 20 minus 8, 12, 20 minus 15, 5, 20 minus 17, 3. Denominator, original denominator is 3, right? So to cancel it, I want 3 here. So if I want 3 here, from the under root value, we have to take 9, right? Take 1 3 here, another 3 here. What will left here? 4. 3 into 3, 9. When 9 comes out, this denominator 3 gets cancelled. Take 3, 4 here, 3 goes out. Yes. 4 into 5, 20. 20 to 20, under root value 20. 4 into 20, 80. Over. The population of a city is 48,000 if the number of males increased by 6% and that of female increased by 8%. Then the population would be 51,240. The number of female in the city is okay, right? So now we have female, male. When you mix them, you'll get total population. Which concept are we using? Alligation mixer. When you want to use alligation and mixer here, these 3 values must be of same kind, right? Yes. So now regarding male, you know, increased value is 6%. Regarding female, 8%. Now if you use 6% here and 8% here, regarding total population, here also you must use percentage only. Otherwise, if you want to take total population as 51,240 a number, here also you should take number, and here also you should take number. How do you get number? If they are all male, male population increases by 6%. You need to increase this number by 6%. If they are all female, they increase by 8%. So you need to increase this number by 8% and then write number. So taking larger numbers increases our risk factor. So I would like to take numbers in percentage, 6 and then 8. Now, earlier total population was 48,000. Now it becomes 51,320. That means the value increases by 3240. That should be converted to percentage, where 1% value, 1% of the total population, 480, right? Matladandi, 480. 0 0 cancel. 12 cancellation with 12 possible. Come on. 12 2 times 24, 84, 7 times 12, 4 times 27/4 in the sense 6.75 only. That is 6.75. Here it is 1.25. Here it is 0.75, 0 point. Ratio is 5:3. So male to female ratio is 5:3. We were asked to calculate how many female are there. Female are 3 parts out of 8 parts among 48,000. 6,000 into 3, 20, 18,000. Third option answer. If you use any other method, it takes lengthy and time taking. Over. In election between two candidates, 80% of the voters cast their votes. out of which 5% votes were declared invalid. A candidate got 24,320 votes, which were 80% of the total valid votes. Find the total number of enrolled voters. Okay, let it be 100% of X. How many casted they wrote? 80%. And how many of them are valid? 5% are invalid. 5% of which number? 80. How much is 5% of 80? 4. If 4 are invalid, how many are valid? So 76% of total votes were polled and they are valid. Yes. Out of them, candidate got 80% of the total valid votes. 80% in the sense, can I write it as 4/5 of valid votes? Come on. Which is equal to 24,320. Matladru. And we were asked to calculate X value. 4, 6, 0, 8, 0. 76 10 times in the sense 760 only. 76 2 times in the sense 152. If you subtract it, it is 608. First number 10 times minus 2 times, that means 8 times. And then 0. Yes. X is equal to 500 into 80, which is equal to 40,000. So answer is 40,000, which is second option. Completed. Total value we treated as 100% of X. 80% are casted. Out of 80%, 5% were invalid, which is 4. If they are invalid, valid are 76%. Among 76%, one candidate A who got 80%. I am not taking 80% as 80 by 100. Instead, I am taking it as 4 by 5, which is equal to 24,320, and then cancellations. P is twice as good as Q, and together they finish a piece of work in 20 days. P and Q, they are talking about PQ efficiency. P is twice as efficient as Q. If Q does 1 unit, P will do 2 units. Together will do 3 units. Like that, they can finish the work in 20 days. That means total work is equal to 3 units into 20, which is 60 units is the total. Come on. Next. They began to do the work together, but P leaves after some days and Q completed the remaining work in 18 days. The number of days after which P left the work was. See, P and Q, they started work together for some number of days. After that, P left. Then who will complete remaining work? Q. Q completed remaining work in per day. Q will do 1 unit. In 18 days, he will do 18 units. That means 42 units is the difference, correct? So who did 42 units? Both P and Q. Both P and Q. Both P and Q will do 3 units of work. So number of days they take to complete 42 units is 14. That means for first 14 days, who worked? P and Q. Then P left. And then Q completed remaining work in 18. So what is total number of days to complete the work? Me bonda 14 plus 18 enta, and how many days Q worked? 32 days. Q is there from the beginning till the end, right? If you are asked to calculate total time to complete the work or time that Q worked, both are answers same. Q మొత్తం అన్ని రోజులు ఉన్నాడు. Q ఎక్కడ వెళ్ళలేదు కదా, లేట్గా జాయిన్ అయ్యాడా? మాట్లాడరు. ముందు వెళ్ళిపోయాడా? అంటే అన్ని డేస్ ఉన్నాడుగా. టోటల్ టైం ఎన్ని డేస్లో వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ అయింది అని అన్నా, క్యూ ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉన్నాడు అని అన్నా, రెండింటికి ఒకటే ఆన్సర్ రావాలి కదా. P worked for 14 days and then he left. Clear? Right. The average weight of a group of 24 persons increased by 2 kgs when 2 new persons A and B joined the group. In place of 2 persons having 50 to 44 respectively. What is the weight of person A if weight of B is 66 2 by 3% more than weight of A? 66 2 by 3%, that is 2/3, right? Come on. 2/3 more. What is denominator? 3. Let's start. A is equal to 3 parts. Then B is equal to 2/3 more, which is 2 parts more, that means 5 parts. Agreed? Now the average weight of total 24 persons is increased by 2 when 2 persons with age A, B, 5 parts and then 3 parts join the group in place of 2 persons having 52 and 44. Okay. Now, what is the weight of 2 new people here who joined the group? What is the weight of 2 new people who joined the group? ఇక్కడ మీకు కనపడే చెప్పండి. How many parts? 8 parts. What is the weight of 2 people who left from the group? Graduates ena? Graduates ena? My question is, what is the weight of 2 people who left from the group? Amma? 96. Answer చెప్పకుండా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు చూడండి. You guys seriously need to introspect yourself. You can answer my question by looking at this. That was already underlined. If you can't read and understand English line, you need to introspect. What is the weight of 2 people who left from the group? 96. What is the weight of 2 people who joined the group? From number of parts wise, it is 8 parts. If both are equal, average should be same as before. But what happened to average with new people? With new people, average increased by 2. That means new people weight is more than old people who left from the group. Then only average will increase. If both are equal, no change. Average will be same. If 2 new people weight is less than old people weight, average will go down. If 2 new people whose weight is more than old people who left from the group, average of the group will increase. Because average increased, so 2 new people weight is definitely more, we can say. Average increased by how much? Average increased by 2. For how many people? For all the people. ఆ ఇద్దరికే పెరగల యావరేజ్ అంటే. యావరేజ్ అంటే అందరికీ పెరగాలి, అయితేనే యావరేజ్ అంటాం, అవునా కాదా? సో యావరేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ బై 2 ఫర్ హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్? 24. సో వెయిట్ ఆఫ్ న్యూ పీపుల్ వెయిట్ is 96 plus 2 times of 24. 2 times of 24, 48. 48 plus 96, 144. Then P is equal to 144 by 8, which is equal to 18. Now the question is, what is the weight of person A? A weight is equal to 3 parts, which is equal to 54. Next, 63. You want me to explain? 64. Balu invested 16,000 in compound interest for 2 years on R% rate and gets an interest of 7040. Wait a minute. From 7040, first let me try to calculate how much is R value. With respect to 16,000, I would like to calculate 7040 is what percentage? 3 zeros gets cancelled. 16 4 times, how much is that? 64. Again 64, that is 4. That means compound interest for 2 years is 44, right? Then compound interest for 1 year, that must be equal to 20%. Then only compound interest for 2 years becomes 44. You already know the formula, right? X plus x square by 100. The rate of interest for the first year, it is x% per annum. Compound interest for 2 years, how do you calculate that? X plus x square by 100. This is compound interest for 2 years, where x is rate of interest per annum. Yes. Okay, continue. Balu invested total amount in simple interest. Total amount in this in 16,000 only. At the rate of simple interest at R plus 5%. That means R plus 5 is equal to 25%. What will be the simple interest after? After 2 years. Simple interest after 2 years in the sense, it will be 50% only. Yes? Right. So 50 percentage. Now here, Balu invested the total amount. Total amount. How much is invested in first scheme? 16,000. And how much interest we are getting? 7040. How much interest we are getting back? 23,040. This 23,040 is now invested in another scheme. Here it is calculated simple interest at the rate of R plus 5%, which is 25%. For 2 years, interest is 50%. This value is equal to 11520. This is simple interest. ఒక స్కీమ్లో పెట్టారమ్మా, 2 years తర్వాత దానిలోంచి డబ్బులు వచ్చినాయి. ఆ మొత్తం తీసుకెళ్ళి మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక స్కీమ్లో పెడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు సెకండ్ స్కీమ్లో వచ్చిన ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నారు మిమ్మల్ని. ఫస్ట్ స్కీమ్ ఇన్వెస్ట్మెంట్ ఈ 16,000. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ గాట్ వాజ్ 7,040. అమౌంట్ రిసీవ్డ్ వాజ్ 23,040. Now this 23,040 is invested in new scheme. Got it? How many coins of 4 mm thickness and the radius is 15 mm should be melted in order to form a right circular cone having base diameter 15 centimeters and then height 24 centimeters. So melting, whenever you see this point, melting, what is that you need to compare? Volumes. Volume, correct? If you pick a coin, coin is of which shape? Circle. Thickness unda? Thickness unda coin ki? మరి థిక్నెస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సర్కిల్ అనాలా లేకపోతే ఏమనాలి దాన్ని? అమ్మా, సిలిండర్. దాన్ని ఏమనాలి? సిలిండర్. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ థిక్నెస్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సర్కిల్. ఎస్, ఒకటే కాయిన్ ఉందమ్మా, అట్లా కాయిన్ మీద కాయిన్, కాయిన్ మీద కాయిన్, 5 రూపీస్ కాయిన్ ఉంది, అలా ఒక 20 కాయిన్స్ పెట్టండి, హైట్ వచ్చిందా? మరి ఒక కాయిన్కి కూడా హైట్ ఉన్నట్లే కదా, అది కొంచెమే. మీ చెయ్యి పెద్ద చెయ్యి కాబట్టి ఆ థిక్నెస్ మీకు సరిపోవట్లా, అర్థమవుతుందా? కానీ దానికి థిక్నెస్ అయితే ఉందిగా. ఎంత ఉన్నది, చిన్నదా పెద్దదా అనేది మీ చేతి సైజుని బట్టి కనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ థిక్నెస్, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ద షేప్ cylinder. So now X cylinders we need X cylinders to melt and form a cone, and we were asked to calculate X value. Read the question properly. How many coins of 4 mm thickness and radius should be melted in order to form a right circular cone? So we are assuming we need X coins. Coin volume. Volume of the coin. Pi R square H. What is radius? 15. Pi R square. What is height? 4. This is volume of the coin. Like that we are taking X coins. With this we will form a cone. Yes. Volume of the cone. 1/3 pi R square H. What is radius? What is radius? Diameter is 12. But what is radius? 6 centimeters, right? But in left hand side, 15 and 4, they are all millimeters. 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 1 centimeter is equal to how many millimeters? 10. 6 centimeters in the sense we should consider as 60 mm. 60 mm. And height. How much is height? Matladandi, 24 centimeters convert into mm. 240. pi gets cancelled. 15 4 times 60, 3 20 times 15 once 15 90, 6 times 20 16 times 320. So we need 320 coins. Over. Hope you 66 you can do. 67 you want me to discuss? You want me to discuss, yes or no? Okay. Now if you have x minus 1 by x is equal to a, how will you get x square minus 1 by x square? A square plus x square plus 1 by x square. How will you get this? A square minus a plus a. It is plus a square plus 2. అమ్మ ఇది స్క్వేర్ చేశారు లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. ఏమేమి వస్తాయి చెప్పండి? ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1 by x square minus 2 is equal to a square. X square plus 1 by x square, keep that value in left hand side itself. Left hand side extra what is there? Left hand side extra what is there? Minus 2 goes to the other side, becomes plus 2, and that's what I am writing. Yes. Can you tell me what is x cube minus 1 by x cube? X cube minus, be careful, a cube మైనస్ ఆ ప్లస్ ఆ? ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది కదా, రైట్ సైడ్కి వస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? ప్లస్ 3a. ఎస్. నౌ టు క్యాలిక్యులేట్ x పవర్ 5 minus 1 by x power 5, we will be using x cube minus 1 by x cube into x square plus 1 by x square minus x minus 1 by x. Let me explain you. X cube minus 1 by x cube, x square plus 1 by x square minus half x minus 1 by x. Let's expand this first. X cube into x square, x power 5. This one, ay x ఏ కదా నీ దుంపదేగా. ఇదెంత? మైనస్ 1 by x. ఇదెంత? minus 1 by x power 5 minus of x minus 1 by x. This gets cancelled. Finally you are left with x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5. Yes, got it? Now that's what we need to write. Now ఇది రాసుకున్నారమ్మా? Did you guys copy it? Okay. Now here a square plus 4a minus 1 is equal to 0. ఏలు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వకండి, ఎక్స్లు అనుకోండి కొంచెంసేపు. x square plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. We were asked to calculate x power 5 minus 1 by x power 5 is equal to how much? ఇలా అనుకోండి కొంచెంసేపు. ఓకేనా? ఓకేనా? రైట్. ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ x minus 1 by x is equal to బొంద అసలు ఎంత తయారవుతున్నారంటే -4 కదా, +4 ఎట్లా వస్తుంది? ఏమండి దీని నుంచి x కామన్ తీయండి, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ మొత్తం x ప్లస్ x కామన్ తీయండి. x ప్లస్ 4 minus 1 by x is equal to 0. x taken common, right? When it goes to the other side it becomes 0. So what is left in left hand side? X plus 4 minus 1 by x. Plus 4 goes to the other side. That's what I'm asking you. Yes. X square plus 1 by x square. How much you said? A square. A square plus 2. A square. అదిగో ఉందా అక్కడే? A square 16 plus 2 18. X cube minus 1 by x cube. ఏమని చెప్పారు? A cube plus 3a. A value minus 4 whole cube minus 64 plus or minus? Plus how much? 3a. 3 times of minus 4 minus 12 plus into minus 12 again it becomes minus only. Minus 12 how much? Minus 76. So how will you get answer for this question? Minus 76 into 18 minus 4. Minus of minus plus. This number ends with మాట్లాడాలి. Minus of minus this number plus 4. Answer positive or negative? Negative. Should end with. Go out to options and verify how many are there. Negative number ends with 4. How many are there? మాట్లాడండి. Only one. Then x, y, z. xy 2a into 3b 6ab 12bc yz 8ac xz. So you are given x plus y plus z xy yz zx and you are asked to calculate x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3x y z. How will you get this? X plus y plus z into x plus y plus z whole square minus 3 times of xy yz zx. X plus y 29. 29 square 841. 3 times of 208. 3 times of 208. How much is that? 624. If you subtract 624 from this number, 6 1 2 1 7 29 into 217. Answer must end with 3. All possibilities are there. Correct? అవునా కాదా? Yes. అది కాదు, ఇది అవ్వచ్చు. Multiple possibilities are there. Now let's do one thing. 29 times. Can we take it as 30 times minus 1 time? 30 has 0. I'll write 0 first. 3 times of this number. Come on. From the last. 7 3 is 1. 5. 6. From this we have to subtract 1 time. 2 1 7. From 10 if you subtract 17, answer must end with 93. And how many options are there? Only one. I am taking 29 times as 30 times minus 1 time. Okay. Hope you can do it. Table. A sells a washing machine to B for 9960 and thereby losing 17%. B sells it to C at a price which would have given a profit of 11%. The gain of B in this transaction is. In this transaction 28% gain. 28% should be 7 multiple. 49 38 no. 28 44 no. 14 64 no. Fourth has to be your final answer. Even then it is not possible. 49 38 no. 28 44. Come on, how is it possible? Let's see. A sells washing machine to B for 9960, thereby losing 17%. B sells it to C, which would have given a profit of 11%. Aకి 11% ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తుందంట. ఓకే, ఏకి 11% ప్రాఫిట్ అంటే 111% రావాలి. ఈ రెండింటికి డిఫరెన్స్ కరెక్టే కదా, అది 28 రావాలి. చలో, ఏ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్, సారీ, నౌ దే ఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ బి, రైట్? గెయిన్ ఆఫ్ బి. ఫర్ బి, how much is cost price? The one which is equal to A's selling price. B ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి కొన్నాడమ్మా? B కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ అన్నా A సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ అన్నా ఒకటేనా? ఒకటేనా? సో ఫర్ B కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ we can say A's selling price, correct? Now A sells it to B at 17%. That means 83% of A, which is equal to 9960. Okay. Now, to calculate profit of B, we need to know selling price of B also. B sells it to C. Now, here he is getting profit, which would have given a profit of 11%. B అనే అతను Cకి అమ్ముతున్నాడు. ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్కి అమ్ముతున్నాడు? ఏకి 11% ప్రాఫిట్ వస్తే ఎంత వస్తుందో అంతకు అమ్ముతున్నాడు. అంటే సెల్లింగ్ ప్రైస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 111% ఆఫ్ ఏ, విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు హౌ మచ్? Got it? If you are asked to calculate selling price, yes, 111% of A is final answer. But you are asked to calculate, ఏం అడిగారు? Gain of B. That means difference between selling price and cost price only. How much is that? 28% of E. How much is that? 28%. Now 1% value is equal to 9960 divided by 83. 28% in the sense into 28. Yes, 83 once 83. How much is remaining? 166. 2 and then 0. 2. 1228 times 280 plus 56. 3360. That must be the gain of B. 3360 must be the gain of B. Over. Come on. Right. 4 numbers A, B, C, D. B is twice that of A, is also thrice that of C. C is thrice that of D. Okay. Right. Now, here A, B, C, D. These values we have. B is twice of A and also thrice of C. B is 2 times and then 3 times. So, it has to be 6 times I am taking. If B is twice of A must be equal to 3. Then only B will be twice. Understand? And he is 3 times of C, then C must be 2. Then only C will be 3 times of C. Correct? Next. And C is thrice of D. C must be 3 multiple. Already we know C is 2. Let me multiply all these values with 3. 9, 18, 6. C must be thrice that of D. So D has to be 2. All conditions satisfied? Now, if the average of 4 numbers is 420, Sum of all the numbers in terms of number of parts. 18 parts plus 2, 20. 9 plus 6, 15. Total 35. 35 parts is equal to 420 into 4. 420 was average. Second largest number. What is second largest number? 9 parts. Should be a multiple of 9. Matladru. How many 9 multiples are there? First cannot be your answer. Second may be your answer. Third may be your answer. Fourth cannot be your answer. Yes? Cancellation with 5. 5. 7 times. 5. 84 times. 7. 12 times. 9 parts in the sense 12 into 4 into 9. 4 into 9 ends with 6 into 2 ends with 6 into 2 ends with 8. Bangaru Kondalu. Evaramma? Answer should end with. How many are there? Only one. It has to be 9 multiple and ends with 2. There is only one. Antena? Matladandi. A boy on the terrace of a building observes an object on the ground at an angle of depression 75. If the height of the building is 14 root 2, then find the distance between the boy and the object on the ground. Okay. Height is mentioned 14 root 2. A boy on the terrace, here he is, of a building observes an object on the ground. On the ground there is an object here. Angle of depression. Yes. Now look at this. So here the angle is mentioned as 75. If the height of the building is 14 root 2, find the distance between boy and the object. That means we were asked to calculate hypotenuse. Yes? Yes? When we have opposite side and then hypotenuse and the angle is 75. Which angle we use? Sine. Sine 75 only? Matladali. Sine 75 is equal to 14 root 2 divided by hypotenuse x. Yes or no? Now when you want to calculate x value, sine 75, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to 14 root 2 by x. From this, x is equal to, let's go with cross multiplication, root 2 into root 2, 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 14, 56 by root 3 plus 1. Do you have options like this? Options ala unnaya? Ekkada unnai? Denominator unda mee daggara? Mee ibbandi unda akkada? Unda akkada? So ippudu em cheyali? Rationalize cheyali. Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, which becomes 2. Yes? 56 by 2, 28 into root 3 minus 1. ఇప్పుడు మీలో ఈ డౌట్ ఉండాలి. ఉందా? సైన్ 75 రూట్ 3 ప్లస్ 1 బై 2 రూట్ 2 ఎట్లా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలా? గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. కుదరలేదు. ఏం చేయాలి? జనరేట్ చేయాలి. ఎలా జనరేట్ చేయాలి? కమ్ హియర్. Can we say sin 75 as sin 45 plus 30? Sin A, sin A, cos B plus cos A sin, that's it, sin 45. Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Cos 45 sin 30 1 by 2 root 2 taken common, root 3 plus 1. Yes? In a circle PQ and RS are two chords. When PQ and RS are produced, they meet at T. If SR is equal to 12.5, TS is equal to 5.5, TQ is equal to 6. Find the length of PQ. Okay, come on. Now, there is a circle. PQ, RS are chords and they meet at T. P, Q, R, S, T. ఇది అవుట్ సైడ్ మీట్ అయినా ఇన్సైడ్ మీట్ అయినా ఎలా అయినా సరే ఆల్రెడీ మాట్లాడుకున్నాం. PT into QT. Look at there. PT into QT must be equal to RT into ST. PT into QT must be equal to RT into ST. SR. How much is SR? 12.5. TS 5.5. TQ 6. And we were asked to calculate PQ. PT in the sense 6 plus X. QT 6. RT in the sense R to S, S to T. Antena, which is 18 into 5.5. We can write 5.5 for some time as 11 by 2. 6, 3 times. 33 by 2. 16.5. X is equal to minus 6. Answer 10.5. Yes. Matladandi. The area of the sector is 224 and its radius is 14 centimeters. Find the perimeter of the sector. Sector. ఇదే కదా సెక్టర్ అంటే. కమాన్, పెరిమీటర్ అంటే ఇది ఆరేనా, ఇది కూడా ఆరేనా. దీన్ని ఏమంటాం అమ్మా? ఆర్క్. దాన్ని ఏమంటాం? ఎల్ అంటాం. సో ఆన్సర్ ఎల్ ప్లస్ 2R. అంతే కదా, అంతే కదా, రైట్. సర్కిల్ ఏరియాకి ఫార్ములా ఏంటి అమ్మా? నేను పెరిమీటర్ ఇంటూ R/2 అనొచ్చా? సర్కిల్ ఏరియా ఫార్ములా అదే, పెరిమీటర్ ఇంటూ R/2 అని అనొచ్చా? ఇది పెరిమీటర్ అనే కదా, రైట్. ఇప్పుడు సెక్టార్కి ఇక్కడ పెరిమీటర్ అంటే ఈ కర్వ్డ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియానే కదా, అదే కర్వ్డ్ ఏరియా. ఎస్, ఈ ఆర్క్ లెంతే కదా మనకు అది. సో ఈ 2πr ప్లేస్లో ఆర్క్ లెంత్ పెట్టుకుంటే LR/2 అని కూడా అనొచ్చు కదా. దేనికి ఫార్ములా అది? ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సెక్టర్. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది సెక్టర్ మనకు తెలిసిన ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? θ/360 ఇంటూ πr². మనకు తెలిసిన ఫార్ములా అది కదా. ఎట్ ద సేమ్ టైమ్ యూ కెన్ ఈవెన్ సే L ఇంటూ R/2. L ఈస్ ఆర్క్ లెంత్ ఇంటూ రేడియస్ బై 2. Got it? Got it? Right. So now, if L into R/2 is equal to 224, where radius mentioned as, amma radius ఎంత అని చెప్పారు? 14/2 is equal to 2242. 7 times 7, 32 times. Perimeter in the sense L plus 2R, that's what we discussed. 32 plus 14 2 is 28, which is equal to 60. Third option answer. 75, hope you can do it. Yes?